Hi, I'm Lynn from Lynn's Cakeaway, and this is episode 2 of Waffles, Plans and Frequently Asked Questions. If you haven't caught the first episode, that is now uploaded and online. Please do go check it out. If you're new here, hello, welcome. Thanks for joining us over here on the channel. You will learn over time that every single supporter, subscriber and customer means the absolute world to me. I'm just one person in a tiny kitchen with 2 mixers and 1 oven and an array of baking equipment. So every single bit of support really does help me get the word out and spread the word about my business, because I can't do it all on my own. So I get a lot of telephone calls and a lot of messages from people expecting to come and pick up cakes straight away. As I said, it's just me here in a tiny kitchen, and therefore every single item that leaves my kitchen is a custom order for the people that get in touch with me. Every single cake that heads out of my door is different, and I wouldn't want it any other way, to be honest. I love the fact that cakes are personalised to a customer and that it is solely just for them. So let's talk about some of the cakes that I make. So obviously, primarily my main business is celebration cakes and wedding cakes. I also make the floral cupcake bouquets and cupcake boxes. But my favourite cake to make are the realistic cakes, which I'll slot in a few photos here for you. And my absolute favourite realistic cake that I've ever made was a structured giraffe cake. Some of you may have seen this before because it is one of my favourites, so I do share it a lot, and I would love to make similar cakes to this again. So I'm hoping this channel will help me get out there to other people who would love something like this for their event. I can just provide toppers, whether that be 3D toppers like figurines or 2D toppers that are edible printed. So I was very lucky that my partner bought me an edible printer for my first Christmas in business, and this means that I can print pretty much anything into a 2D edible print. Anything that you could print from a standard computer, I can print in edible form. These can obviously be made into standing toppers, or we can use them for cupcake toppers, or even recently I've had someone ask for them for a wedding as a cocktail and drink topper. And then I also have specialist holiday items too. So obviously there has been other things as well that I've made over the last couple of years that don't fit into any of those categories. So if you have an idea about something that you would like made and you're not sure whether it's possible, please do reach out and get in touch, because I'm always open to new ideas and helping out where I can. So there you go, that's what Lynn's Cakeaway is. It's not a takeaway in a traditional sense, but my items are taken away from my tiny little kitchen, and hopefully you can take something away from these videos that I'm uploading too. If you've enjoyed this video, please do consider subscribing, clicking the like button and the notification button to find out when our next upload will be. From me and Hudson here, thank you for joining us. Hopefully see you again soon. Hudson! Currently